The wheels on the Taptap go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the Taptap go round and round. Hi, I'm Mahalia. I'm so glad you could hop on Taptap, KRIK. We're sharing stories and we're going to dance. Nous allons danser and listen to music. Écoutons de musique. All aboard? All right. Our first destination, Miss Christelle Kransky. Miss Christelle has a collection of children's books titled La Petite Pedra. This is exciting. Let's see which book she's going to choose for us today.
My name is Christelle Armand-Kansky. I am Haitian and I am the author of the bilingual book series La Petite Pedra. It is an honor for me to take part in these celebrations in honor of the Haitian Heritage Month. Today we will read together one of the books from our Haiti Discovery series in Haitian Creole and English. Our books are also available in French English and Spanish English. You can find them through our Amazon page, Ingram Spark if you're a library, Kobo in the ebook format, or even Apple iBooks. We encourage you to stay connected with us through our social media page, through Instagram, or our YouTube channel. I wish you all a happy reading.
Moi c'est Haïtien. I am Haitian. And today we will be celebrating Haitian Heritage Month with La Petite Pedra. Moi c'est Haïtien. I am Haitian. And today we're gonna be celebrating Haitian Heritage Month. So today, guys, it's a special day and we're gonna be reading one of La Petite Pedra's books. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna present you to them. So this is La Petite Pedra Visite la Citadelle. And this one is La Petite Pedra Visite la Gonave. And this is La Petite Pedra that goes to the carnival for the first time. So which book do you choose? I choose this one. Haitian Carnival. So let's get started. Oops. Okay. So it's in Creole and English. Petra ak Lily allaient dans carnaval pour première fois. Petra and Lily go to the carnival for the first time. C'est époque carnaval dans Haïti. Est-ce que vous connaissez qui ça carnaval? It's carnival in Haiti. Do you know what a carnival is? Do you know? Petra, Danny, on allait au carnaval. Petra, Danny, let's go to the carnival. Carnaval, c'est une grande tradition haïtienne. Est-ce que vous connaissez ça qu'une tradition? Carnival is a Haitian tradition. Do you know what a tradition is? Do you know what's a tradition? Do you know? Petra ak Lily pas qu'attendre pour arriver au carnaval. Petra and Lily can't wait to arrive at the carnival. When you go to a carnival, can you wait or not? I can't. Costume carnaval yo belle pile. Ou pas d'accord? The costumes are beautiful at the carnival. What do you think? Do you think they're pretty? I think they're pretty. À la masque yo belle. Est-ce que vous connaissez ça yo masque? What's a beautiful mask? Do you know what a mask is? Not coronavirus mask, of course. It's a mask for like carnivals. Like this one. Oh! Garde dragon! Oh! Look at that dragon! Qui coulait dragon? What color is the dragon? The dragon is blue and red. So guys, we're gonna stop here because we can't read all the book. If you want to continue this book, watch our Instagram and our YouTube channel. And bye. See you all soon. Yeah. And happy Haitian Heritage Day.
That was an amazing story. Did you see her collection? Have you ever been to Carnaval? I have. What a colorful tradition. And I love the costumes and the masks, and it's so vibrant and full of energy. Did you know that there's a lot of different ways of presenting a story? So guess what? Our Taptap is stopping in Little Haiti, and we are going to meet Lucrèce. Lucrèce Louis performs authentic Haitian folk dance, songs, and rhythms all over the United States and Canada. This is going to be a treat. Let's see what Lucrèce has in store for us.
Hello everyone, my name is Lucrèce Louis, and on the drum that you can hear is my husband Louis. In honor of Haitian Heritage Month, we're here through the Miami Book Fair to bring you an amazing Haitian Cinderella story. So when I say KRIK, you say KRAK. KRIK. Well, once upon a time, in a small cottage in the wood, there lived an orphan girl whose name was Jesula. Jesula was not happy. Her stepmother was making her life miserable. She had to do all the housework and barely had time to go to school. But one day, the stepmother woke up and she was making some coconut sweet. The fire under her pot went out, so she had to go herself to pick up some woods. When she got to the forest, she gathered a big bundle, but it was too heavy. So she stood right there, looked around and said, "Anybody here? Anybody to help me carry my wood?" All of a sudden, an old woman appeared and she said, "Yeah, what do you want?" "I just want you to carry my wood home." "Okay, but you gotta pay me." The stepmother said, "That's okay, I'll find something to give you." They went home, the woman came and put the wood down for her. All of a sudden she said, "Yeah, no, you gotta pay me now." But the stepmother said, "You know what? I don't have anything, but my stepdaughter, Jesula, tomorrow I'm gonna send her to the well. She'll be wearing a blue dress. I want you to take her, grab her, and make her your servant girl." Ooh, the old woman was happy. Meanwhile, Jesula was sweeping behind the door when she heard this horrible conversation. So she ran down to the village and told all her friends about that. The next day, when the old woman got to the well, she looked around and all the girls were dressed in blue. She did not know who was Jesula, so she asked, "Which one of you is Jesula?" The first one said, "I am Jesula." The second one said, "She is Jesula." And they all said, "We are all Jesula too." The woman was confused, so the girls started to chant and dance. "My name is Jesula. My name is Jesula. Oh, non moi c'est Jesula qui ça ouvre mais moi c'est Jesula." Oh, the woman couldn't believe her eyes. She was confused and went back to the stepmother and said, "You want to trick me, don't you? I'm telling you, every girl was dressed in blue." Stepmother said, "I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, tomorrow She'd be wearing a red dress with a red bow in her head. So take her and leave me alone. Jesula again heard that, so she ran to the friends. She told them all about it. The next day, when the old woman got to the well, she saw one dressed one in red, 2, 3, everyone was dressed in red. Well, she couldn't believe that. She just stood there. She got so mad and said, "Which one of you is Jesula?" The girls got a bit scared, but then they remember, together, they don't have anything to be scared about. So they began to chant around her. My name is Jesula. My name is Jesula. Oh, my name is Jesula. Qui ça pour faire moi? Non, moi c'est Jesula. Oh, she sang. They sang around her. The old maid didn't know what to do with herself. Oh, she went back to the stepmother and said, you tried to trick me again. This time, I'm not taking this from you, okay? Here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna take you as my servant girl. So she grabbed her and disappeared inside the forest. Jesula went back home. Everything was so peaceful. But later that week, her aunt came and picked her up and went home with her. I tell you, Jesula has a beautiful life. I met her years ago, and she is now a beautiful girl. And guess what? For all of you listening to this story, I hope that you know about loving, about having somebody care for you. So let's together celebrate this Haitian Heritage Month and learn all you can about Haitian culture. So thank you so much for your participation today. And on the drums, that was Ruiz, myself, Lucrece Ruiz. On behalf of the Miami Book Fair, we wish you a happy Haitian Heritage Month 2020. Thank you.
Wow, how clever! Yo tout Jesula. That was brilliant. What a neat trick. And how delightful was Lucrece? She was dancing and moving and performing the story. I like that a lot. But guess what? Our Taptap is moving also. Our Taptap has wings, and we are flying all the way up to the mountains, up to Kinskoff, and we are going to meet Nicolas. Nicolas is 12, and he plays the guitar. Do any of you play an instrument? Well, we're going to listen to Nicolas and his dad, KK, who was in a band called Musique Musique. And they are playing a famous Haitian song by Scandal, and it's called Tiboy. I remember this song. When I was living in Haiti, this song came out, and I loved it. It was one of my favorite songs. So, guess what? Guess what? Oh my gosh, this gets even better. So, the words, the lyrics are gonna play at the bottom of your screen, and Nicolas and his dad are gonna sing softly so you can sing along. It's karaoke! I'm so excited. Get ready, get ready.
Bonjour, bonsoir, je suis Nicolas Belizer, j'ai 12 ans, je suis haïtien. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous jouer une musique de Patrick Randall de Scandal avec mon papa KK Belizer qui est aussi guitariste. Amusez-vous bien. Merci.
chercher la vie tout l'autre bolo. Pour délirer que tout le monde levé dans ses roues. Même si pas de l'argent, il gagne un petit musique.
How'd you do? Did you at least try? Isn't that a fun song to sing at least? Or try? And did you see the guitars that Nicolas had? He had one, his dad had one, and then there was a third guitar. I wonder if he knows how to play all three. If you play an instrument, do you practice? Est-ce que vous pratiquez? You should practice, because that's how you get better. Look at Nicolas. Anyway, we do have to refuel sometimes, don't we? Our Taptap needs to refuel. And we do too. So we definitely, what do we need to refuel? We need some food so we have energy and strength. Guess where we're going next? We are driving off to Chef Tia's house. Yes! And she is this wonderful, dynamic chef. And you know what? She has represented the Haitian embassies in 3 continents. You know what else? She is the first female chef to win the Global Chef Challenge. Amazing! So, but before we get started, you know we have to talk about safety rules in the kitchen, right? Faut nous prendre précaution na cuisine. So, first things first, wash your hands, right? Faut nous laver mains, right? And the other thing that's very important is that Chef Tia is using a knife in her presentation. So, remember, if you are not old enough to use a knife and it's not safe for you to use a knife, make sure that you ask an older sibling or parent to help you out. Mande yon moun ki pi gran pase nou pou ede nou avek un couteau, parce que nou pa ka jouer avec couteau, right? Safety first. Understand? Awesome. Okay, so continuing on, Chef Tia is making this awesome appetizer, and she has ham and onions and vinegar. She has oil, salt, and pepper, and she uses bread also. She says she likes the potato rolls. I can't wait. It sounds delicious, and you are gonna have so much fun watching her. Let's see what Chef Tia is making for us today.
Hi! Welcome children to the kitchen, Chef Tia's kitchen. I am so happy. Oh my. We cooking today. I am cooking a chic Thai. It's a ham ceviche style. I love it. When I was your age, children, let me tell you, I used to love this appetizer. Regular slice of ham, just grab a gag. Listen, if you can cut it, you can get a regular knife or just already get it chopped. They sell the ham already chopped, you know that? And then you cut it, small cubes, very small cubes. First step, we know we're done with our ham. It's already prepared, slices of ham. First thing we do, we're getting a half a cup of white vinegar. Half a cup of white vinegar. Ooh. And why did I put the vinegar first? I want the vinegar to actually melt my onions. I don't like onions, children. I don't like onions. But onions are so amazing for you. Oh, so much flavors to the onions. We're getting all our vitamin C. Woo! I'm loving it. I'm not a big fan of onions, but I know I need the onions, and without this, the recipe needs onion. You must have onions on that recipe. Trust me, children. I'm loving it. Onion first, a little bit of mixed bell pepper. I want some flavors to it. Not a lot, just a little bit for flavors. I'm adding my garlic powder. Usually, I add fresh garlic, but I'm cooking for amazing children because I have kids myself, but when I do it with the powder, they love it better. Don't know why. Maybe the garlic is too spicy for them. I don't know. But I'm adding a little bit. You see a little sprinkle, you see? Sprinkle, 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 garlic powder. Ooh. Onion powder. A little bit. Just to kind of enhance the flavors. I want flavors. Let's mix it a little bit. And then we're gonna just put it aside. Let's wait for it while I'm getting to know you guys. What have you learned during this period? Oh my goodness. I got my bread. Potato rolls. I love the potato rolls. They're amazing. It's sweet. And it kind of balances the flavors of the acid, the ham, the onions. And then don't forget, we're gonna add olive oil at the end to kind of mix. A little bit of salt and pepper at the end so we can touch. So meanwhile, what's happening? My onions are getting cooked into the acid. So being cooked, what I do? I'm gonna add my ham. Him to the rescue. Let's go, let's go. Let me see. Did you see how easy and fast it is? Now I'm adding my salt. A little bit of salt. Not too much because remember your ham is actually salty already. I use a sweet ham. Yes, a sweet ham. I love the sweet ham. Ooh. Little bit of black pepper. My daughter loves black pepper. I love black pepper. And then now, I'm adding my olive oil. A little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit. That's about a quarter cup, but I'm not adding all of it. Maybe half of it. Actually, let's just add all of it. We want flavors. It's like butter. Let's go ahead and add some more ham. Remember, we chop it cube, everything cube. We add our ham. Remember, I didn't add a lot of onions. I want flavors. And then, this is how we serve our shitai of ham. Ooh, let me tell you, I love it. Now, if you want to make it for your parents, you need to add a little parsley to it. Ooh, the parsley. We need parsley. Typical Haitian shitai would have a little bit of parsley. I am so happy to be with you during this quarantine and enjoying this ham shitai. Guys, just pick the onions, but the flavors, to die for. You're gonna love it. That was my favorite. See you later.
Yummy, right? Oh, a shitai jambon. Very good. And wasn't Chef Tia divine? How fun is she? Loved it. Oh my goodness. And I hope you get to try it at home. It's going to be so tasty. Well, everybody, this is it. I'm so glad you came by. Merci un peu, Louis, that I'm so glad you spent the time with us and for coming and hanging out. And you know what? Well, I don't know. What did you learn? What were you inspired by? I think I love the interpretation of Cinderella. I think Lucrèce did a fantastic job with that. And we got to sing along with Nicolas. That was great. Chef Tia, of course, showed us how to make something. So, oh, look at us. We're improving our skills. And then, how wonderful was that story about Carnaval? That's such a great tradition in Haiti, and we all love the beautiful, vibrant colors. So, you guys, I'm inviting you. 2 weeks, you have to come back. We have stories, we have more music, we have more things to share for you. You have to come back. You have to check out the Miami Book Fair website. You have to come back. 2 weeks. I'm so glad you're here. Thanks a lot. We'll see you soon. Bye.